Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing HRAA, PSRU, AABB, MTRT, INND, LIACF, and SMURF. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion and is meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button and little notification bell to be notified when we go live with the new video. Also go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers get first look at stocks we're going to be covering. Stocks like ENZC at 0.014, ABML at 7 cents, ALPP at 7.5 cents, and HMBL at 0.027. And if you click on the symbol or the percentage gain, it will take you to our original profile, which is date and time stamped on insiderfinancial.com. And as you can see, we started talking about ENZC on October 6th of last year. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. Never begin the format with 00. It will not work. For US and Canada, it's simply enter 1 plus area code and number. And text messages are the fastest way to get our alerts. Many times we will do a text-only alert if something hot comes across our desk. And the best part is that both our email and text messaging service are free. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. Well, I was out over the weekend. I said October is over. Let's now focus on November. And I really like the start to November. On the OTC, we had 2,800 advancers with just 1,900 decliners on $2.7 billion in dollar volume. So definitely a nice start to November. And, the folks that were going, the OTC is dead. They have no clue what they're talking about. As I said in the weekend video, markets go in cycles. The OTC just gets more cycles than any other market. It's volatile, but that's why we trade OTC, because the opportunities for making huge profits are there, much more than if we were trading just blue chips. For case in point is HRAA, which rallied 84% to start the new month. This is just an $11 million market cap. It is a David Lazar reverse merger play, getting set to merge with Ameriguard Securities Services, which does over $100 million in annual revenue. So definitely an exciting play here with an $11 million market cap, still significantly undervalued. We talked about HRAA on insiderfinancial.com. You can go just into the magnifying glass, type in any symbol, and you can get our full coverage for that particular symbol. We said 4 penny stocks to buy. Last time we talked about it was in September, along with CEI, which was one of our big runners. We caught the move from September to October, so it was another 10-bagger for our subscribers. Definitely plenty of opportunities if you trade not only OTC but also NASDAQ penny stocks. As I tell people, when OTC is in one of its funks or bear markets, go trade crypto. Go trade, NASDAQ pennies. You got to go where the money is, but the money always comes back to the OTC. Keep that in mind because, especially with some of these 00 plays, these penny plays, they can get moving really, really quick. So Case in point is our next one, PSRU. This is a double zero. If you look back earlier this year, this one was at trading at a nickel. It's pulled back, but it has a history of price spikes. Last one was in September, spiked to a penny and a half. And it just has a $4.6 million market cap. This one has a tease that a major announcement is coming about a major Hollywood project that they are working on. Keep in mind, this is a major NFT player with over 20,000 NFTs already created. You know, you got a double zero pink current, rallied 52% on just to start the month. So definitely, you know, judging by what we're seeing here, as you can see, we're seeing these double-digit gains to start the month, which we like. AABB, talked about this one over the weekend, where you see here he covers AABB. This was the first one I talked about over the weekend, and the rally has continued up 47%. The AABB wallet and the new crypto exchange is about to be launched. You know, this one has been just on a tear the past 3 days, up over 140% in just 3 days. So congrats to all who caught the move in AABB. This is one we were talking about last week, and really like this one. Next up is MTRT. Great news here. The share exchange happened last week with Medium. This gives MTRT 100% ownership of MTRT. Just a little bit information about Medium. Medium was established in 2018 and is a privately held corporation based in Seoul, South Korea. With its world's fastest high-performance blockchain core technology, Medium leads the blockchain industry in South Korea, providing hardware and software solutions as well as blockchain platform development and management services. Medium's MDL solution has been selected from various blockchain projects in public and private sectors in South Korea. And their core technology is called MXP, which is Medium Express Engine. It's certified at 14,142 TPS in performance tests by the Korea Testing Certification Agency. And currently, this is the fastest blockchain processing speed recorded. So major news here, and this goes to show you why the stock has been on a tear as after it bottomed out just above the 50-cent levels. So again, anyone that's saying, you know, OTC is dead, they're just not looking in the right area. And guys, you know, a lot of these plays that I know you keep buying the dip on and it keeps going down. If you follow my channel, you know, we're not financial advisors, but, you know, we don't recommend, you know, just to keep buying, you know, all the way down. You can really get buried in those plays. You know, if you buy, you know, make an initial position and it drops, you know, you can take another position, but don't keep at it. You know, 2 buys is enough if it's going against you, and because you can't be tying up all your capital in just a few plays. You know, if you really want to make money in these markets, you got to own 10 to 20 or more penny stocks. You know, some will work, some won't, but you know, you get 1 or 2 home runs and they more than make up for any of your losers. And you know, if you keep buying losers, you know, then you don't have any capital to play new plays, and that's really what we preach here at insiderfinancial.com. It's about, you know, finding these runners ahead of the crowd, getting in before, and then be patient. You know, we really push the swing trading strategy. You know, buy dips, sell rips, and then be patient. You know, we're not day traders here. You know, when we put out alerts, we do them at the opening bell. You know, that's how I trade. Start in the first thing in the morning, do your trade, and then go about your day. It works with. It works best for our subscribers who, a lot of students, retirees, have jobs. They don't have time to be, monitoring the markets all day long, but they know 9:30 to 10 o'clock Eastern. All right, that's the time that we're going to be making plays, and that's the time that you need to be in front of your screen or checking your mobiles. So that's why it's so important to be a subscriber at signup.insiderfinancial.com. This way you get these alerts before they get in at the open, and then let them play out. So that's the best strategy that we have found. Next up is INND. This is another one up 114% over the past 5 days. This is another one that we talked about over the weekend. You go over here, insiderfinancial.com, and this was the weekend article for OTC stocks on the rise, INND. This was our number one on our radar screen. So congrats to all that caught this move. Nice 36% gain. If you look at it, it opened at 0.014. Never look back, and closed at the high of the day, up 36%. So definitely like what we see here. This company is set to become Walmart's largest hearing aid supplier. They're on track to do $150 million in annual revenue by 2024, and it has just an $80 million market cap. So with numbers like that, with becoming Walmart's largest hearing aid supplier, this one definitely is one that can uplist. It's just ridiculously cheap here still, and this is one that we really like here. Key is it closed above the 200-day moving average of 0.0185. So we think this one gets above 2 cents. This one can really run. As you can see, earlier this year it ran to 10 cents. April it rallied to 6 cents. So this one has a history of major price spikes, and this is one. These are the types of plays that we look for subscribers. So, congrats if you caught this move. LIACF, another one that we've been talking about quite a bit. Just been on a tear. Lithium, we're big fans of the lithium sector, with EVs, with Tesla running, Lucid, Fisker, Neo, Rivian coming public. This is the sector you want to be in, and lithium producers are one of the best ways to play the EV boom. Lastly is SMURF. This is one we talked about over the weekend. This has just been on a tear since September from 30 cents. Last week was just talked about on Forbes. As it said, the company is tokens.com. They're on a mission to connect public market investors to blockchain by investing in DeFi tokens such as BNB and DOT, NFT-based cryptocurrencies. By staking the assets, the company is able to earn additional ROI beyond regular price appreciation. The company prides itself on only investing in proof-of-stake tokens, which are more environmentally friendly than Bitcoin's proof of work. If you look at who their investors are, BitBuy, First Block Capital, Hive Blockchain Technologies, Power One Capital, Matthew Rozak, the co-founder and chairman of Block, Olaf Carlson, founder of Polychain Capital, and CI Global Alpha Innovators Fund, the largest technology investment fund in Canada. So definitely tokens.com, SMURF is an exciting play. Again, this is another one that I talked about over the weekend, and what really caught my attention is they just closed the 50% ownership stake of Metaverse Group, with Facebook rebranding itself to Meta. Tokens.com, SMURF, it's in the prime buzz category right now. So definitely SMURF is one that we think is going to keep running. So definitely a cheap play here, and one that we really like. So with that out of the way, folks, really like the start to Monday. Definitely going to have some alerts later on in the week. Let's see how Tuesday plays out. If Tuesday's price action is good, we'll have an alert for subscribers on Wednesday. Got a few things that's on my radar screen, been running some screens, but I want to make sure that the market is more stable. If the market is weak, it doesn't pay to send out an alert for you guys. It's just why tie up capital in a bad market. We want to catch these moves. So last week was a great week. Nice, some rebounds, and we like the continuation of what we saw today. Like I said, we'll be having some new alerts as long as today or Tuesday's market looks still promising. So it's a start. We're excited about November. Right now, again, the whole point is to find new plays, new runners. That's where you make the big money. Last year, November to February was an incredible time. This is when you had the big runs, and judging by you can't go judge a month or by one day, but certainly I really like Monday's price action to start the new month, and I'm excited and about what November's going to bring. So definitely make sure you are signed up at signup.insiderfinancial.com, and let's crush November, guys. All right. Have a great day. I'll be coming live to you tomorrow with a new video. Bye-bye.